In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make any photo fit as your wallpaper. So let's get started right away. So for this video, or for this sort of like method, you want to have this app right here, Bazart or something like that. It's this app. You can download it for free, and yeah, once you've downloaded that, you basically want to open it up and make sure to have your background or your wallpaper ready. So yeah, basically from here on out, you just want to click on the plus icon, click on start from scratch, and what you want to do, this is like the most important part. You can go to wait, where was it? Add, it was here, size, and you can basically select any size you want. But this is especially helpful if you have an iPhone, because if you scroll all the way to the right, you can see it already has the iPhone formats. So since I got an iPhone, I can just easily select this one, for example. And these are actually all the same, but you also have like the 8 and 7, and here you have different resolutions as well. So find the one that fits your phone. So for me, it's the iPhone XS. And then click on done. Yeah, once you've done that, you want to click on photos right here, and this will allow you to add a photo. So yeah, just add this one right here. This is the wallpaper I already had, so I'm just going to sort of like resize it. And as you can see, I want to have it like this on my screen, but it does not fully fit. And what you want to do is you want to go to background right here, and you want to get this sort of like dropper. So you can select the color just like this, and then click on done, and done again. And as you can see, we have now like yeah, this random wallpaper or photo fit to our screen. And yeah, we can basically just go to yeah, right here. And oh yeah, also a quick thing, if you save it like this, the watermark will appear like at the bottom right corner. So what you can do is you can just screenshot it, and you can just resize it just like this, and so just like this. And now you have the background as well in a nice quality, and it fits your screen. So now you can just enable that in the settings as your wallpaper, and that is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.